Hello everyone, this is Mark with Silversmith Data, and today I'd like to go over the different options to resolve any missing or false data. So here I have a big window of missing daily polls. You can simply count from the top down how many days from today to the missing day or days, then input that number into the offset cell and click the poll button. This will attempt to pull in the missing day. You can also attempt to pull in a block of days. For instance, this meter is missing 19 days of data. So I will start with the offset number of how many days back to the beginning of the gap and input that in the offset cell. And then I will input 19 in the days cell and click the poll button. This is going to create 19 separate polls. So depending on the number of days, it could take a while. Please note, for better results, it is sometimes necessary to poll each day one at a time. Our meters hold 35 days of data. So the largest you can attempt to pull is a 0 in the offset cell and 35 in the day cell. Depending on how strong your communications are in the field, 35 days can take up to an hour to process. You can also do this for hourly polls, in which there are 840 hourly polls stored in the meter. So if you cannot pull in the missing history, you can add, edit, and remove data using the edit tool. So I click on the edit button and the edit meter window pops up in a new tab. In here you can add data by clicking on the plus icon. After entering all of your fields of information, click on the submit button and input the reason for the altered data followed by your initials. This will keep a complete record of any changes in the database that can be used for such things as an audit. After we are done with this, I will also show you how to edit a row and remove a row. So again, when you hit submit, that new window will pop up. Just put in your reason for adding the data followed by your initial. You can also do multiple days, not at one time, but you can do it simply by just changing the day to another missing day. And once you put in your information for that day, also click submit. You're going to put in your reason followed by your initials again. So here you'll be able to see where we added those and where they show up on Meter Central. So there they are. So back in the edit tool, if you want to edit data, you select the row and click the pencil icon. In here you can change whatever data you like. When you're done, click the submit button, and again you will input your reason followed by your initials. So now, in order to delete data, select the row like you did for editing, click on the trash can icon, input your reason, followed by your initials, click OK, and that row of data is now deleted. Just to note, we do store the deleted data, again for auditing reasons and things of that nature. So we will have both rows in the database. You'll just only be able to access one of them through Meter Central. So lastly, let's go over the search, the little search tool inside the edit tool. In here on the left you can click any number of data points, meter, date, gas, all kinds of things. The center one is going to be your search parameters, so if it's equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, all these different options. You're going to input that value into the right to finish your search parameters. Click the Find button and it'll find all the rows of data that meet your criteria. If you're having any issues, please contact support at 989-370-4697 or email us at support@silversmithinc.com. Thanks.